Do you want to learn how to use Merlin? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. Imagine you have all these AI models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini inside one AI tool. This is what it is basically. You can also generate images with this and chat with it. Now down here, you can see that a lot of these companies are using this tool. It also has a Chrome extension, which I'll show you how to get it. It's available on Chrome Web Store. You don't have to switch tabs. So basically, you can avoid spending time going through each search result on Google. Instead, get a summary and ask for a specific detail. When you're on YouTube, you can just ask it for a summary instead of going through the whole YouTube video or watching it on 2x speed. Now, there's also Merlin Chat, which works like ChatGPT, and you can do all these things inside it. It's available in 200 plus countries, and with the extension, you can write emails, create content from videos, draft posts, make AI images, and a lot more. Like I was saying before, they have all these AI models in one. So they have this ChatGPT 4o mini and Claude. They have Gemini, they have Mistral Large, they have Llama, and a lot more. You can also get most of these AI models for free in Misty.app, but this one is more convenient. Merlin is also available as an app, iOS and Android, so you can use it on the go. And now they keep putting in more options and updating the tool every week. Like you can see here, they also have an option to generate images with Flux 1.1, which is new. Now let's log in and take a look at how it works. Click on the top right corner, you'll find a login button. Click on it, login, and then you'll be taken over to this page where you can start chatting with it. You can type a prompt here. You can also turn on the live search. There is Gemini 1.5. You can choose an AI model from here, search the models, or you can click on this. You also have an option here which says automatically decide which model to use. This is also good. You can select it. Most of these are on the Pro plan. Some of them are available here. You can choose them. I'm just going to select turn on the magic, and then you can start typing here. The first one is upload an image or file. The second one is choose a bot. So basically you can ask the AI to act as something. For example, prompt scientist. Now, as you can see on the right, it has given us this preview, and on the left, it has given us this, which says to help me improve this prompt, please answer these questions. Now, next to it, we have choose a prompt. If you have your own prompts here, or you can go to prompt library and choose a prompt from here. For example, keyword strategy or outrank article from here. Copywriting, write the best article to rank on Google. Let's select this. Now it has given us this prompt. It gives us this big prompt, and I can just say title. I can just say how does AI work, or you can write another title for it and click on ask. And it's going to start typing the whole article in front of us in real time. And that's how you can use the prompt feature inside it. There's also save prompt. If you have written a prompt here and you like it very much and you want to save it, you can click on this to save the prompt. Now on the left, we have history. So all your recent conversations that you have done with Merlin will be available here. There's prompts. You can search inside this, switch to community prompts from here, and you can see all the community prompts here, so you can use them. Next up, we have AI tools. These are all the AI tools inside Merlin. They have free AI baby generator, logo generator, AI character generator, face generator, and a lot more. For example, let's click on this face generator, and you've got all of these options. So advanced features, you can select the expression, the age, the hairstyle, gender, and a lot more. Now this, I'm not sure what this does, but I'm just going to select something like this, face, and generate the image. And on the right, you can see it says 4 images left. And this is the pricing plan. So if I go down, it gives us this face image. Let's say, for example, I select emotion. It generates us this image. Let's select this, Flux AI. And each of them has this image left option. So if you generated an face here, this does not affect your other AI tools. For example, if I go to Flux AI, it also has this 5 left. Let's select this mountains and generate image. And it's going to generate this AI image with Flux 1. It's really good that you do not have to jump between these different AI tools, and you can get access to all these AI tools inside Merlin. And if I scroll down on the left, you can see all these AI tools are available inside it. You can select any one of these and start using Merlin today. Now, one thing that I forgot to show is the Merlin Chrome extension, which is available over here on Chrome Web Store. I'll put a link in the description so you can check it out. You need to add it to your Chrome web browser, and then you can start using it from here. Pin it so that you can keep using it without clicking 2 times here. Instead of 2 times, you can just click the 1 time from here, and then you can use it. Now, to use that Chrome extension, for example, I go to Google and I search something. Now, on the right, it gives us this icon. So I can click here and this pops up. Now you can start chatting with it on the right. Now you can start chatting with it right here instead of going to the Merlin web page. There's also this option which says ask this page or summarize this page. Let's click here. Give me a summary. And it's going to make a summary of this entire search result. And just like that, if I go to YouTube and select any of these videos, I have this on the right. You can generate a summary from here or generate a transcript so that you do not have to watch this full video or watch it in 2x speed. Instead of that, you can just generate a summary and check out the whole video as a summary. I generate summary from here. Now, as you can see, it has the summary and the timestamps, the key insights, the essay. You can create an essay on this. There's also create content. So if you want to create a Twitter thread out of this video, you can do that. LinkedIn post or Twitter post. Now, this is the pricing page of Merlin. And as you can see, it's available at a 35% discount if you take the annual plan. And instead of using all these tools like Claude, OpenAI, and all this, which comes at $20 per month, each of them, instead of using that, you can just go for $19 per month, which costs at $220 to $28 per year. And I have a link in the description so you can check it out and it may help me with a small commission. And that's it. This is how to use Merlin. If you found this video helpful, let me know with a like and comment.